everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is a vlog style video on this channel because I wanted to quickly show you guys what's in my bathroom. I feel like I'm finally almost done organizing and decorating it the way I want. It's not really elaborate, but it's something. So if you're excited to watch, interested to watch, let's get started. Hello everyone. So let me take you to my bathroom over here. It's attached in my room. So when you're in my room, I've got these two little cardboards of Kylie Jenner. Not intentional. My mom and brother surprised me with it because they thought I love the Kardashians so much, but I am mad. It's okay. And then you get into my bathroom. There are two lights. I love how lit it is. I love this, by the way. Hi, that's me. So sink top, and I love it. I love the space. I never really appreciated a large countertop before this, but it's definitely useful. So let's begin from the left. These cute things had some Christmas chocolate bark in it. I finished that up and then put my cotton balls in this. Then over here, this basket is actually from the 99 store in Delhi. I carried it over with me, and then I've organized it with, as you can see, some lids of some boxes. So just, yeah, got these in packets because I don't want to put these in their individual new organizers, because guess what, it's not needed. It's useless purchases, useless spending of money, and useless usage of those items, and you're just gonna hoard. So might as well just keep it in this. Then I've got the wheat wax strips that I swear by. This is what I use. The hair oil that my mom made, you can watch the video of that. I have a couple of things in this cup that my friend got me, like nail cutter, hair scissors and stuff. This little scrubber, I still use it, and it's different heads are in there. Then I've got my Tony Moly green tea makeup remover, nail polish remover. I got this bamboo brush from Germany, yet to try it. And my dry shampoo and a little, what do you call it, hairband to get my hair away when doing skincare. And I've got my Zoe, of course, which is a vibrating skincare. Love it. I still use it to exfoliate. That's that. Now this soap dish, well, I should have had a prettier looking soap though. This soap dish, 99 store, my mom got for me. This place has my mom, brother and my brushes, but currently only I use. This is again from 99 store. I love the aesthetic. Then this is what I was waiting, actually. I love this. I'm kind of getting obsessed with flowers in every corner of my room. So I got these from, these were from Fair Price, which is like a grocery store here. So I got these for like, I think these were $2 or $3, so 150 to 200 rupees. Such a pretty bunch. Yellow, I think, goes well with the bathroom. And this water bottle I got from a hotel. So yeah, works perfectly. It's a little empty. I thought I'll put something. Do you have any ideas? Let me know, because I want to keep this bottle open to be used as a water bottle sometime in the future also. So that's that. Okay guys, here's a little mini break in the video. There's been an update on the bottle. Well, my mom gave this idea. I put the quilling paper in this, and it actually really kind of makes it look full and nice. There's been a new addition to this side, these Lush bath bombs. I'm gonna use them soon, probably post about it on Instagram, so watch out for that. I also bought this new body scrub that has been sitting on my tub. You'll see this in a haul coming soon, but yeah, this smells so amazing. Now this is my skincare stack. Ooh, again the same basket from 99 store. And then here, these acrylic organizers are from India. You can find them very easily in any beauty shop. Got some skincare here. This used to have my lip balm, but what I do now is, whenever I use a sheet mask, which are here by the way, there's always some extra essence left in the packet. I transfer it into this and use it as my essence for skincare. So not bad, right? I keep transferring my nail polish remover in this Lakme bottle. The serum that I'm using, the face cream I'm currently using, Biotique. What else? I've got these testers, these eye patches. If you watch my Korea skincare haul, you've seen some of this. I got this makeup brush cleaner from Daiso. Pretty good. I have this. Oh, I got this from Germany as well. Argan Oil Deep Conditioner. Get to try it. That's something to keep your sheet mask on your face. So this is just what's on my tape. Very simple, not too excessive. When it comes to excessive, let me open that. Okay, please don't judge me. So I have organized everything in shoe boxes because, again guys, that's a wasteful purchase. Let's reuse, recycle. So I've got lots of extras of the tissue and like cotton and wipes. I also, by the way, I got the Laneige water sleeping mask. Finally got my hands on this, but yet to try it because I already have my Origin sleeping mask, working on that. That little tub has a lot of extra makeup bags and storage bags. So just, yeah, miscellaneous. That side has nothing, honestly, just, yeah. Then over here, I've delayed this tour because of this mat. I hate this mat. I want to get a yellow mat similar to the color of the flowers, but I cannot find it in any stores, any country so far. So if you can find it online, please send me a link. That would be very helpful. Over here, I don't really use this toilet because the other toilet has water in it. This does not have a water system, so don't really use it. But I have this potpourri here again. In just to take something came in this container, but it looks nice, right? My mom put it there. Potpourri, how do you say it, man?
Potpourri. Potpourri.
Then over here I have my robe. This is my silk robe from Marks and Spencer's. Love it. Hand towel, keep changing it. My scrub gloves, drying there. Then I have some of the items. I have my body wash, shaving gel, that's my brother's. Face wash, shampoo, that stuff. This corner, I used to have my soap here, but the soap usually runs because the water comes, so that's empty for now. I usually put my clip on there when I wash my hair, and that's just my bathroom. I'm not really concerned about the shower curtain much. I'm okay with it. So this is there, soap is there. That's the bathroom tour. I hope you all enjoyed this tour. I know you guys want room tours, house tours and stuff. So this is just me trying to get on with it. So the first step was the bathroom tour. I'm slowly going to do like a living room tour and like a dresser tour, room tour, so that these are all done in detail and then you can see a full look at it. So it's going to be easy to understand. I hope that makes sense, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like it up. I've done a closet tour before this of the closet right behind me. You can watch that right now. It's on the screen, or I'll link it below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.